this. So if you want a fragrance that doesn't accelerate and that takes forever, and I mean forever to set up, Lime from Brambleberry is your fragrance to choose. Interesting, the end pieces usually have less color. And Swirl. Oh my word, I kept waiting for this one to set up so I could put these pies in without them sinking. It took forever. So this one, this batch, I made 2 batches on this day. These key lime pies and my blueberry pies. I did more color I basically did a drop hanger swirl, and I added more color in the base on the key limes and less on the blueberry. And you can see quite the difference. Also, see this dark green, these blobs? So I used a little bit of key lime pie in this fragrance, or in this batch. So the majority is lime, which doesn't discolor, but I had a key lime from Nature's Garden, but it discolors brown. So I put it in just the dark green, hoping that it wouldn't be too awful and it would give just a hint of sweetness to the soap. Well, it thickened up, and so you can see it just, the hanger swirl could not break through those globs and swirl them very well. So there's 2 greens. One has lime in it, one has key lime in it. The blob sections are the section with key lime, which I think will definitely darken up, and you'll see a distinction once this has a week or so to cure. And the dark greens with the swirl were the lime that swirled nicely. So it's fine. It gives it a look, and I don't think it affects the design any. I just knew when I was adding it that it was not, like, it just wasn't going to swirl because it was just too thick. You can see there's a very thin little bit of green on that top there. You can already see it's kind of turning brown. There's some, I coated some mica on top, so it's hard to see through that. But so I have no doubt that parts of this are going to get much, much darker. You might keep some of the green, you might not. We'll see. I'm not sure how much the fragrance will overtake it. I didn't add a lot, but still. And the little lime on top. This was the end piece, so the end piece always ends up with less color in it. Obviously one side I poured more color than the other. You gotta love swirls. No 2 bars are ever the same. And I still, oh my gosh, this pie, it's just, it cracks me up. I love it. It's so cute. There you have it, key lime pie. Let me know what you think.